Hey there, Snapchat users! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a group chat in Snapchat. If you want to connect and chat with multiple friends all at once, this full guide will show you how. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the iconic yellow icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate the chat icon, which is represented by a blue chat bubble icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Now, it's time to select multiple contacts to include in your group chat. Simply tap on the names of the friends you want to add to the group. You can select as many contacts as you like. Step 4. Once you've selected the desired contacts, give your group chat a name. This will help you easily identify and organize your conversations. After naming the group, tap on Chat with Group to create the group chat. Congratulations! You have successfully created a group chat in Snapchat, allowing you to chat and share moments with multiple friends simultaneously. Please note that all members of the group will be able to see and participate in the conversations within the group chat. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.